Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the defrost thermostat kit in the Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a pair of wire strippers, a small zip tie, and a heat gun. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new defrost thermostat, a couple of butt connectors, and a couple of heat shrink sleeves. The defrost thermostat is located behind the evaporator cover in the freezer section. It's clipped onto the evaporator tube in the right upper corner. The defrost thermostat is designed as a safety device to prevent overheating and damage to the lining by cutting off the power to the defrost heater. If the temperature inside both compartments is higher than normal and the rear panel in the freezer is iced up, that indicates failure of the defrost system. In that case, the defrost thermostat should be checked and replaced if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. To remove the freezer shelf, first we need to take off that stopper. Turn it over and just push it off. You may not have this one in your fridge because normally they would be used for the transportation. But if you never pull out the shelf from your freezer, that thing is most likely in place. To remove the shelf, we're going to slide it to the left, slightly rising it up at the same time, and lifting the right side up, and then we're going to pull the shelf out. So next we're going to use a 1/4-inch nut driver and remove this 2 1/4-inch screws, one on each side, so we can take off this cover panel. Lift it up slightly to free the bottom, and we're going to put it down, and then we need to disconnect that plug at the back, if you can see there by the wall. All right, I'm going to squeeze those tabs and pull the plug. I'm going to lift it up, and now we're going to remove this rear cover panel and place it in a safe spot. This is our old defrost thermostat we are going to replace. So I'm going to start with pulling this plug off. Then I'm going to remove this thermostat. I'm going to pull on the clip, free the thermostat. I'm going to thread it out and then free the wires from the holder. And we're going to cut this light blue wire as close as possible to this insulation. I'm going to use the wire strippers. You can use side cutters if you want to. And then I'm going to get rid of this insulation. And then we're going to cut this one off here. This is the old defrost thermostat next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, this is a new defrost thermostat. I'm gonna strip the wires. They are factory pre-cut, but we just have to get rid of the insulation. And I'm gonna strip a little more of the wire here. Install the butt connector. And then I'm going to use the wire strippers because they're equipped with this, we call it a special squeezer. And I'm going to squeeze it. Okay, turn it around and do it again. Then we're going to place the shrink sleeve over. And then the second butt connector. And again, we're going to squeeze it. I am putting it right there. Turn around. Squeeze again. And the shrink sleeve again. Okay, and put it down, and I'm gonna prepare this dark blue, navy blue wire. We're gonna strip the end. And the second one, and the light blue. Okay. Place the wire stripper on. Insert the wire. And squeeze. And turn around. And squeeze again. And the light blue. Same thing. Place the wire strippers on. Put the wire in. And squeeze. Turn around. And squeeze again. Alright, now the fun part begins. We're gonna slide this heat shrinks on and use the heat gun to shrink them. Be careful not to melt anything. Alright, let it chill a little bit for a few minutes, maybe 2-3 minutes. We're going to clip on the new defrost thermostat onto the copper tubing. And then we're going to plug this. And run this wire into the holder, retainer. I'm going to pull this extra wire together, and I'm going to put a little zip tie so to keep it out of the way. And we can cut the extra off. I can use the same side cutters. And we can install the cover panel. Connect this plug. See, the plug has 3D shape connectors, so they can only go into that plug one way. Connect the air duct, slide the top portion into the bottom, and bring the panel back. And then we're going to secure it with the 2 4-inch screws. Now we can install the shelf and install it into these two holes on the left. I mean, you can put it in the bottom or in the top. We had it in the bottom. So push it in and lower it down on the right and pull it to the right so it will fit into the openings. And now we can lock that shelf with the stopper. Push it on. And now we can close the freezer door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.